Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a rainbow fruit popsicle. So let's get started. To draw this very colorful popsicle, let's first start by drawing a curve. So I'm going to start right here and go up for the top of our popsicle. And once again, this is just meant to inspire you. You can make your popsicle whatever shape you want. Okay, so for mine, I'm going to make it this steep curve, and then I'm going to bring it down. And let's say about right there, I'm going to start to straighten it out. I'll just work on this side first. Let's see, let's keep going. I want to make it long so that I can put in all my colors. And let's say about right there, I'll start to curve it in. So let's do the same thing on this side. Just going to try to follow my other side. And once again, about right here, just start to curve it in. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and just connect it with a soft curve at the bottom. There. So that is your basic shape. Then from there, I'm going to find my center, which is about approximately here. And I'm going to go to the right. Go to the left and go to the right. So that way it makes it a little bit easier for me to put my popsicle right in the center. And I'm going to go down to draw my stick. So right here, I'm just going to round it off and connect. And since I'm down here, I'm just going to put a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute rainbow fruit popsicle. There. Okay, so then from there, to make it extra fancy, I thought it'd be cute to make it look like it's dripping. So if you want to do that, say about right here, you can go ahead and just draw a bunch of these curves to make it look like it's melting and so yummy. And right back up. And then of course, if you like, you can even put like maybe a drip here just to make it extra fun. Okay, so then from there, let's bring it to life. So let's say about in this area, I'm going to go ahead and put in a circle. For my Draw So Cute eyes. And I'll draw another one, say about right here. There. Okay, so now that I have my circles in, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. Now that the eye's in, I'm going to go above each eye, just draw a soft curve. And of course, let's give our popsicle a very happy smile. So let's say about right here, I'm going to draw a curve and kind of go upwards a little bit, cap it off, and then connect it with a curve. And maybe just put in a tongue right there. And that is pretty much it for the drawing part. So then when you're coloring, just leave a little white edge on the side to make it extra shiny, and then just put in your colors. And I don't want to use the black Sharpie because I don't want it to have all these dark lines inside. And I really hope I helped you draw this rainbow fruit popsicle fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.